Hey guys, so for today's video, I am going to be giving you my first impression on this Love, Beauty, and Planet hairspray powered by air, so keep on watching. Hey guys, so I am so excited for this video to give you my first impression on this Love, Beauty, and Planet hairspray. I picked it up at my local Target for like $6.99, $7. I thought Target was the only one that sold it because a girl at Target that worked in the beauty section said it was their line, but it's not. You can get it at Walmart. Maybe where I live, Target is the only place that sells it, but I haven't seen it at Walmart or anything. But yeah, so it is sold other places. So it comes in this little bottle, just like this, and it is a 6.8 ounce bottle. It smells amazing. It smells like a garden, like you just walk outside, or fresh air, or it smells really, really fresh. And it's really really different for your hair if you're worried about chemicals. It doesn't have any animal products. It's all vegan. So if you're into the vegan thing, this hairspray is for you. Also, it gives you a shine to it. That's what I was reading on it. And also, this bottle right here is made out of recyclable things. I don't know what that all entails, but it is made from recyclables. So I guess you're helping out the planet by using this hairspray. It says that, well, it gives you shine, and I already said that. It says you have to spray it 10 to 12 inches, so about here, about here. You don't want to go directly on because it might like get oily or something, because they do use natural things. It says soft shine hold right there, and also it says thoughtfulness, styling acts of love for our planet. So I guess we're doing something good. I picked the lowest one, which is 1, because I just put my hair extensions in, and I have already, this isn't my first time using it. I've used it a couple times, but this time is my first time filming it. So, now that being all said, I don't know if I just said this or not, it's made with coconut milk and white jasmine. So probably an essential oil. I'm not really sure. But now let's move on how to use it and how it will turn out. Okay, so I'm just going to take this little bottle that I have, the hairspray I was just talking about, and it comes with a lid. Pop that off, and then it comes with a little thing. There's the sprayer. I'm not gonna like toss all my hair because it might mess it up, and I don't want it to look funny because I have other things to do today. So I'm just gonna take it and just spray it out like this. It doesn't come out like very fast. Like, I wish that you guys could smell it because it smells so good. And it is actually really good for your hair. Now I'm going to spray some down here. I would totally recommend this product to anyone and everyone. I advise you go pick it up if you're looking for something not harsh in your hair that is chemically damaging to your hair. Don't quote me on it because it works for me. It doesn't work for everybody, and don't come back and say, well, you said. No, it might not work for everyone, but it does work for me, and I have reviewed the products already. I have watched videos on it. I talked to the beauty people at Target about it, and they showed me. So I'm just kind of tousling my hair. So I'm not really, oh, maybe I'll do it. Okay. So I love this product. I will probably keep using it, and also they do have a line of shampoos and conditioners, and I'm thinking they have one for colored hair, so I am going to try that one, and I'll probably do a first impression review video on it. So I totally recommend this one to anyone and everyone. Like I said, I chose the lowest hold because I wanted to see how it worked with my hair extensions, and it worked really, really well. So now I am going to come back with the end result because it dried, it turned out perfectly. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of this first impression Love and Beauty. I hope that it was helpful to you. If you have any questions, comments, please put them down below. And don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.